Magnesia ball press. In the daily use of our unavoidable maintenance on the magnesia ball press cleaning, we need to understand and pay attention to these details. We should carefully and real-time clean up the dust of the magnesia ball pressing machine. In the process of disassembly, should be carefully dusted. It is strictly prohibited to invade the mechanical moving parts. Check the wear of the triangle lining plate, bearing, screw, nozzle, and other components inside the fuselage of the magnesia ball press, and clean it up. Replace bearing grease. Check the magnesia ball press bottom. Safety bolt is loose, and tighten it. Open the inspection cover of the accelerator to check the gear fit and wear state. If we find that there is a large pressure change in the oil pressure of the clean ball oil cylinder, new oil should be injected in real time. If the oil pressure system of the magnesia ball press is found to leak oil during operation, it should be stopped immediately and restarted after repairing the oil leak.